This is a PS5. And all I want you is to like and subscribe. And I might do a part 2 of this video if I get to 11 subscribers. That's it. Let's get a lot of likes, but a lot of subscribing. Okay. Fact, this is top 10 facts about dogs. Actually, many facts I can get. Number 1. And by the way, these breeds are Chihuahuas. So yes. Let's start with the greatest one. Number 1. Chihuahuas can live to 20 or maybe to 20 or 26 years. Yes. So if you have a dog and it's a Chihuahua and you're afraid that they're gonna like die like 14 or 15 years old, like an average dog is gonna. Well, don't worry. Because these dogs don't live up to that. Fact number 1. 2. Chihuahuas are cute. Fact number 3. Chihuahuas are pretty cool, but they're pretty good at ears. I'll explain. Number 4. This is a theory. You see, I think, well, I don't know, maybe I'm right, but I don't know. The dogs, what if do dogs have good hearing? Like, cause they might have good hearing because they have good ears. Do they? Yes, they have good hearing because they got big ears and, you know. Number 5. I think they can look. This is another theory. They can listen to us. Now, I know what you're thinking, and you're gonna, yeah, Arden's right. But other people are gonna like, no, he's wrong. Well, let me tell you, I think it's right. Look, I think, what if, dogs actually hear us? They just don't know how to speak. And that, they have their own language called barks, like, ruff, ruff. That means something. Okay, I'm gonna end this video now. Bye.